So, financial decisions can be some of the most difficult and confusing decisions you ever have to make during your life. From figuring out how to fill out a W-4 form to how to buy a house, there's a lot of really confusing stuff that we never really get taught how to do. But that is where SmartAsset comes in. SmartAsset claims to be a place where you can learn how to make better financial decisions and get connected with the best financial experts. But how effective is the service, and is it something that's actually worth using? That's exactly what we're going to be diving into in this video review right here, right now. Now, let's dive right in and start off with what actually is SmartAsset. And if at any point you want to check out SmartAsset for yourself, we'll have a link down below in the description and pinned comment where you can go directly to their site. Now, SmartAsset is a financial services company that provides education, tools, and connections to empower individuals to make smarter financial decisions. The company was founded in 2012 and has approximately 100 million users every single month. So this is a very popular service that a lot of people are using. Now, their mission statement reads, "We are committed to publishing the most accurate and actionable advice, personalized calculators, and educational tools to help people navigate life's big personal finance decisions," which for a lot of people is a very needed service. Now, they've got guides, calculators, tools, and just basic information on all of life's big financial decisions. And the best part is it's all completely free. But what is the catch? Well, one of the services that SmartAsset provides is connecting individuals with financial advisors, and this is where their business model comes into play, but we'll talk a little bit more about that later. First, let's dive into some of the features that set SmartAsset apart from many of the other investing-related websites out there. Now, the idea for SmartAsset came about because the CEO was looking to buy a house and found out very quickly just how complicated and involved that process actually was. There were so many questions left unanswered and just issues that he ran into that he had absolutely no idea how to address and couldn't find any effective information online that would show him exactly what to do. So that is kind of where SmartAsset comes into play and the foundation that their features are based on. Now, the first core feature of the SmartAsset platform is called SmartAdvisor Match. This connects individuals with financial advisors near them. Using a patented algorithm, they're going to connect you with 3 different financial advisors in close proximity to you, depending on your personal situation. Basically, you just answer a couple of questions about your personal situation and what you're looking for in a financial advisor, and then they connect you with a certified financial planner or CFP that may be able to help you out. Now, once you see the suggestions that SmartAsset has made for you, there's no obligation to move forward with any of them, but if you do want to set up a quick appointment, there's a very easy way to do that for free within the SmartAsset platform. It's also important to mention that any CFPs listed on the SmartAsset platform are very heavily vetted to make sure that they are providing the standard of care promised. Now, the SmartAsset business model comes into play because these financial advisors are paying SmartAsset for the lead, aka you. So their business model revolves around taking on new clients, and so they are very willing to pay for people who are interested in potentially working with a financial advisor, and that is where SmartAsset gets paid. Now, the next big feature of the SmartAsset platform is the tools and calculators that are offered to you completely for free. Many people might not be looking for a financial advisor, so these tools and calculators can be a smaller step towards accomplishing those financial goals. These are all going to be free, very straightforward to use, and very practical in terms of helping you answer specific questions. They've got home buying calculators, things like how much home can I afford, and a calculator that'll show you if it's better to rent or buy based on your situation. They've got tax calculators for income tax, property taxes, retirement taxes. They've got retirement calculators that have to do with Social Security or 401ks. They've got investing calculators, and really the list just goes on and on with all the different free resources that SmartAsset provides. Last, they've also got thousands of pages of guides on anything from how to properly fill out a W-4 form at a new job, to refinancing a house, to paying off your student loans. They've really got just an abundance of information that, again, is all completely free to you. You don't even have to give them your email. It's just all publicly available on their website. So tying things together here, how does SmartAsset stack up? Well, given how challenging and confusing many of the financial decisions we have to face in our lives are going to be, it's very fortunate that SmartAsset exists as a resource to answer those questions in a way that is completely free to us. It really does deliver on its promise to empowering its users to make smarter financial decisions. From their tools and calculators to their free guides to their SmartAdvisor Match tool, all of these things really do come together to help you make better financial choices. Now, if you want to check out SmartAsset for yourself and dive a little bit deeper, again, we've got a link in the description and pinned comment below that will take you directly to their site and will help support the channel as well. Additionally, if you want a full written review of the SmartAsset platform, you can find that on our website, investingsimple.com. The easiest way to find that is to head on over to Google, search for SmartAsset Review, and then click on the link for investingsimple.com. We'll see you over there.